So she is gonna have 5 smiling faces looking up at her. Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you my gingerbread shoebox for a girl 5 to 9. This is my favorite 5 to 9 girl box that I'm sending off this year. I'm so excited for Christmas. It's always fun this time of year with little ones, and I'm excited to share this with you. So I'm gonna start off with her lid. I just put a fabric piece in here that matches her little gingerbread man's bow tie. And we'll start right off with this little tin. Inside, the first thing here is her keepsake item. Now, this is a very nice velvety pouch. I think it's a great sensory item for her because the velvet feels so nice. And then inside, I have given her a fidget ring that you can spin, and it is adjustable. I picked this up at my toy store for, I can't remember how much it was, but it was on sale after Christmas. All right, then she's got these outfits for her little doll. Some of these outfits came from Dollar Tree, and this was the original outfit that she was in. Her 24 pack of crayons. This fits just perfectly in the tin. And then lots of little items in here. She's got a couple of sharpeners and some washi tape in that gingerbread brown color. She has a clipper. I even put a magnet in here. She could play with it on the lid. And then a little gingerbread eraser here. I've given her a jingle bell necklace. That came from Michael's a while back. An eraser. Then I thought this went cute with her little Christmas theme, little eraser. And these are all the stickers that are in her tin. I love this one with the little gingerbread house. And then these are felt stickers. They're so cute. So lots of Christmas stickers, and there's just a few more items in here. A pair of shoes, a little brush, and another sharpener with Merry Christmas washi tape. All right, and then here is her little doll to go with the outfits and the extra shoes. She's got that Christmas vibe going on with the little outfit here. Matches all her gingerbread friends. And then I just put this in here. I thought it was cute. Again, another sensory item with the tinsel and the little gingerbread. Her fun little pencil, extra little special pencil here. And then her bag here, it says Merry and Bright. You can probably guess what's in here. 2 pair of underwear. Okay, and then she has a sports bra in here. It's kind of funny because my friend Sharon and I, we just did a Wolf Shoebox collab, and in her Wolf Shoebox, she had talked about how she put a sports bra in there because the bra that she bought was too small, and this is exactly what happened with this bra. I had bought this for my daughter, and it was way too small on her. And I had bought it on clearance, and it was a no return policy, so that's why she has this bra. It is actually Adidas brand. Very, very nice. So you can see it's new, but I wasn't able to return it because I bought it on clearance. It's very nice quality, so I hope that this is useful for her. I'm sure it will. And then her main event here, her shoes, and of course her gingerbread friends. These are adorable shoes here. I kept the tag just to show you. These were normally $18 shoes, and I got them for $5. Little cute high top shoes. I picture this girl being a very kind of maybe quirky, fun-loving, you know, strong-spirited girl. So I don't know. A lot of times when I do my shoe boxes, I like to picture the child that I'm packing for. But anyways, I think these are so cute, and I have their tags here. I bought these last year at Costco in bulk. So there's her little friends, Gina and Jordan. So I kept the tags because they talk about the little squishmal inside. And then there's no water, there's no liquid in this, but there's little bits of glitter. Some jingle jangle bracelets. She has a compact mirror in that gingerbread brown color. And then I made sure I gave her socks that were a bit taller to wear with these. That way if she did need to kind of break them in, they wouldn't hurt her ankles. And then when I have shoes with laces, I like to put in shoelaces, extra shoelaces at the tip of the toe. So that's the first shoe. And then in the second shoe, I put in a couple of these bouncy balls that have little hearts inside of them. And then I gave her a tank top. I could not fit a t-shirt in here, but I did manage to get this in here, so that will be nice with her sports bra. And then I put in her soap saver. I've given her that Christmassy red comb. And I will put this in a Ziploc bag. I gave her some Christmas soap that says Winterberry scented. And then a fun Elf on the Shelf chapstick. And there should be, yeah, another shoelace at the tip of her other toe. But these are so cute. I hope she loves these. And those are a size 3. And then I had to include these little socks as well, gingerbread socks. She has a jump rope. I had to get a jump rope in here with these shoes. I think that these kind of shoes, I can just picture her jump roping with those shoes. And then her scissors, a cute Christmas coloring book, lots of pages. Oh, there's a gingerbread. Oh, and these are Christmas earrings, and there's little gingerbread earrings on there. And I even put, I cut out the piece that said stick-on earrings. So that will go with her crayons. And then I gave her a little velvet bow, again, that wonderful sensory with the velvet, because her little Gina is wearing a red bow. And then she has lots of pens and Christmas pencils. A red toothbrush. One of these half composition notebooks. Oh, I gave her another toothbrush, so red and green. And then she has at the bottom a green pencil pouch. Oops. And this is so cute. This is another thing that I bought at the toy store when I got her fidget ring. And it's a little sticker, but it's a squishy. And it was, I don't know, it was like maybe $1. But very nice, cute. And then a red backpack. And then at the very bottom, I made her one of these construction papers. I just put Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I like to make these and put them as fillers. I just hole punch the paper, and then I take garden twine and I tie it together. And then I just put some fun Christmas and of course gingerbread houses and gingerbread men, gingerbread people for her. And then the last thing is a Christmas card with our picture, and I will write a message on this. So there's nothing, you know, crazy different about this box, except that it is Christmas, and there's just, I don't know, some of my boxes I just feel really emotional or happy about, and I'm really happy for this one. I would love to hear from this girl, but I hope she loves everything in her gingerbread shoebox. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you guys. If you liked this video, please like it. That helps get my channel out there. And thank you again so much for watching, and I will talk to you later.